A new module has been added to the Zeed Tools add-on. The Dynamic Subdivision function was introduced, which mimics ZBrush Dynamic Subdivision, allowing you to quickly toggle Blender's subdivision modifier on and off. The default shortcut is D, however, it can be quickly changed through the add-on's properties. Through the last operation menu, you can quickly adjust the subdivision level or apply the subdivision directly to the object. Another way to control the dynamic subdivision parameters is by holding down the shortcut key. In my case, the shortcut is the D key, so when holding D, a popover menu appears on the screen where the subdivision parameters can be adjusted. It is also possible to change the type of subdivision modifier. You can use the classic subdivision surface or the multi-solution modifier, which is optimized for sculpt mode and is generally used to add fine details to the mesh. When using the multi-solution modifier, the menu is adjusted to give you quick access to the modifier's main operations. So that's it, we've finished the dynamic subdivision demonstration. Have a great day. Bye!